We are assembling the Harlequin doll shadow box card. And I'm going to start with the box of the card. This is the outside. You just want to carefully line this up. Make sure you have this on straight. Now you have 3 floor pieces. The smallest one goes on the front. Then you have 3 pieces for your curtain. You want to start with a small semicircle, and you line this up to the top and to the edge. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Try that again. I didn't like how that was lined up. There we are. And then the long one goes in the center. So that is the box of the card, and I'm going to put this under the mat while we work on the inserts. So I'm going to pull in the second insert, or the front one. Okay, this is going to be our Harlequin doll. These 3 pieces are a gift box, and you just want to see this piece will only fit on one way, so you just want to take a second and line it up. I've cut mine in contrasting colors. It's to help this gift look dimensional. And then your ribbon, you'll see here, lines up to the bottom of the gift box, like so. Okay, so I'm only going to put glue here and across here. And then this lines up right in here. Okay. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to put on is the bun. And you want to just line your bun up right there at the top of her head, like so. The next thing you're going to want to put on is her body. So it goes just like this, okay? Just kind of line it up between here and look at her arms. If you want her hands to be over her dress, do not glue her hands down. Just take the glue to the arm and not all the way onto the hands, okay? So that way you can slide the dress up under her hands. I've done this again. I did this on another video and I deeply apologize. I did not put my floor on. There we are. And now I'm just going to pop some glue under here. There we are. Okay. So again, you've got her hands not glued down, okay? Now let's take a look at the dress. The dress is these 4 pieces. And they line up one on top of the other, just like so. Okay, so it's pink, black, blue in the colors that I've cut them in. This was the easiest way for me to get the Harlequin diamond shapes in here without cutting out itsy bitsy little diamonds. So there we go. That's this part, and then this just glues right up in there like that. Okay, so then we're going to glue this in place. Just like that. And take a moment and see how you will fit her dress up under her hands. Just like that. Okay. And now we're going to put her head together. And I'm not going to worry about her hands because they don't have to be glued all the way down. They're not going to get in the way of anything. So you put the red on behind the mouth, and then you put the eyes on, the black behind the eyes. Okay, and I've got a pink ink pad here so that I can rosy up her cheeks. And then I'm going to glue her head in place. And then we're going to put on her hair. Okay. Now she does have some little shoes if you want to use them. If not, you can just color the tips of her shoes, tips of her feet to be her shoes. Okay, now I'm going to place her under the mat to dry. And I'm going to do the same with this. I'm folding the tabs first. I'm going to glue the floor on first. I guess maybe all this is telling me, because I keep forgetting to put it on, that I don't need the stage, but this does give the appearance that this is a stage. More of appearance, I think. Now I'm going to glue the tree into place. And just a note here that whatever color you decide to do your curtain will be the color of the ornaments on your tree. I'm going to put a dot of glue here at the top and stick on my star. Okay, so that insert was very quick and simple. And now I'm pulling back out the box to our card, and I'm going to stand it up. I'm going to lay this piece in with the tabs open. I'm going to slide it right in to this corner, laying it flat against the back. I'm going to put glue on it and I'm going to glue it down. So it's just laid down inside with the flap open. got glue rubbing off of my fingertips. I'm going to open it very carefully so that I don't pull it off the side. And now this piece is going to lay on top of this one with the tab open. And I'm going to close it and I'm going to glue it to the side. Okay. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put glue on these two tabs. And with this side laying flat on the table and this side up, I'm going to glue this into place. I'm going to really make sure this is stuck. Carefully open it. Fold it the other way. Now open this up and glue this tab to the back. Fold it both ways. And there is your Harlequin dancer doll. Thank you for joining me.